Happy Monday, guys, and good morning. Welcome to another Adventures of Greg Thomas Vlogs. To all of you new to this channel for the first time, welcome, and I hope you will enjoy a wonderful experience. My name is Gregory Thomas II, but you can call me Greg. That's a lot shorter. And now that we got the introductions out of the way, let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you guys a previous adventure that I had yesterday at New Bethel Baptist Church, where I served as camera operator for the 11 a.m. service once again. One thing I will say, when it comes to serving as a camera operator for the church, there is never truly a dull moment, guys. Not a one. And plus, New Bethel is always filled with surprises. But rather than me just sit here and just explain it, let me show you from yesterday. Okay guys, so I just made my way here to New Bethel Baptist Church. Right now I am in the sanctuary, and as you can see, well, it's pretty quiet in here. Very peaceful. Right, so we're gonna get the day started by setting up everything that we need, from the cameras to the monitors and anything else that we need, like before the 11 a.m. service. So stick with me, guys, and see how this whole adventure continues. Okay guys, so as we're continuing on with this adventure, I have sanitized the headphones that we're going to be using for the AV ministry team. Speaking of which, I better go ahead and get mine on. Hold on. Okay, all set. All right, so we're going to continue on with this adventure, guys. So stick with me and see how this whole adventure goes. All right, guys, so as we are continuing on with this adventure, I have made my way downstairs here in the audio-visual room, where I'm about to turn on the broadcasting equipment that we are going to use for today's 11 a.m. service. Speaking of which, I better go ahead and turn it on. Hold on. Here. Okay, in a second. Let's see. There we go. Here, and here. Right. So from here, you might say people can view what we are doing from the camera angles, and of course just set it up. Oh, hold on a second. Oh, brother. Hold on. There we go. It should take a minute for it to pretty much set itself, and never mind. Right, so we are going to continue on with this adventure, guys, but stick with me and see how this whole adventure continues. Alright guys, so as we are continuing on with this adventure, we've got the cameras all set up, we've got the lights, and we've also got the monitors. Well, still working on that. Other than that, we're all set and ready to go. And for the sound of that boom, yeah, we're all set. So I'm just gonna chill for a little bit and just wait until we get ready. But stick with me, guys, and see how this whole adventure continues. Alright guys, everything is all set and ready to go for the 11 a.m. service. We are about to get started. I'm about to head to camera 3 now. So if you'll excuse me, I will see you all after the 11 a.m. service. Okay guys, so we just got finished with the 11 a.m. service. Right now I am downstairs. You're probably wondering, which room am I at right now? Well, let me show you guys. Behind me is a wallpaper, pretty much made for the new and improved G-Zone room for kids. I'm truly glad that Bethel Baptist Church is giving back to, well, the youth of the community. Never truly a dull moment at New Bethel Baptist Church. Not all one. Right, so I'm about to head out, but stick with me, guys, and see how this whole adventure goes. And once again, guys, that was a very successful day at New Bethel Baptist Church. I know I've said this a lot of times, but never truly a dull moment at New Bethel Baptist Church, especially with that new display in that new room. It looks kind of cool. Never truly a dull moment, not at all. And I definitely look forward to what else New Bethel definitely has up its sleeve next, as I continue on this adventure in becoming a filmmaker. So guys, I just want to say thank you for joining me on another adventure. I hope you all have a wonderful week, as well as a wonderful weekend. If you like this video, go on down below and click on that like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, click on that subscribe button, and we'll get started. So until next time, guys, remember, imagination, memories forever on film. So until next time, guys, have a wonderful week.